In this video, I'll show you how to use NotebookLM to generate a custom 2-minute video from your documents. Let's get started. First, I'm on the NotebookLM homepage and I click the Create New button in the top right corner. Once the notebook is initialized, I click Upload Files to bring in my source material. I'm selecting a PDF guide about NotebookLM to serve as the foundation for our video project. As the document processes, you'll see the notebook title update and the AI begin to generate a comprehensive summary of the content in the main chat area. Now that the source is active, I head over to the Studio panel on the right side of the screen and select the Video Overview option. This opens up the customization menu where I can define the style of the content. I'm going to choose the Explainer format because I want a structured, clear overview that connects all the core ideas from my document. I'll keep the language set to English and leave the visual style on auto-select for a clean look. In the host instruction box, I'm typing a specific prompt to create a 2-minute explainer video focusing on key features and real-world use cases for students. This ensures the AI understands exactly who the audience is and what information matters most. After clicking Generate, the AI starts building the full video. This process involves synthesizing the text, generating a script, and creating animations. Once it's finished, the video thumbnail appears in the Studio panel. I click on it to open the player and review the work. The final result is a polished animation that's just over 2 minutes long, featuring professional narration and clear diagrams that perfectly summarize my source material. It's a powerful tool for turning any research into an engaging visual presentation. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.